What's up, everybody? My name is Zach Sutton, and this is Tuscaloosa Home Tours. Right, everybody, we are here at a fully renovated property here in Northport, Alabama. You actually have a lake right in the backyard, super flat yard, but this house has been for sale for just a little while, but it's one of those things that it's so beautifully done, to be honest. I mean, in my personal opinion anyways. And so every part of this house has been touched. And just check out this. I mean, look at this entryway. So well done. All right, so this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Let's go check it out. Right, so right in the living room here, we have all hardwoods throughout, laminate flooring, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, got a tile backsplash. Everything's incredibly clean. So as I said, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,100 square feet. Here is your pantry, walk-in pantry. All the shelves, all the space. How many canned goods can you fit in that? Okay, and then your bathroom right next door. And this shower here, and the tile work. I really love this kind of an angled slope on the tile here. You don't see that very often, so that's really cool. So 1-acre lot, built in 1965. This is a little step down into a really big room. Let's go around, show you the whole thing. And so off of this room, we have laundry, your air conditioner, your water heater, and a lot of storage. Actually, you got your breaker box there. So you can do quite a bit with this. I mean, you could put in like a table or whatever you wanted to do. Throw another bathroom down here. So this does have an HOA. It's only $75 per year. Not per month, per year. So it's like $6 a month or something like that. And that's your closet in here. And then just to give you a reference, this is the door going straight to the outside. So you could use this as a bedroom. It would be a great bedroom. I think it would definitely be the biggest bedroom of the house, where you could have yourself like a little den, little man cave. And then that's your view right outside this window. Look at that tree. We're going to look at that thing closer because that's just a big old oak tree. I love it. You come to Alabama, you gawk at the oak trees because they're so big. Right? Going back through the main living area. So yearly taxes on this property, $574. Yearly taxes. So we got the same flooring throughout, the same tile in this shower. And then all energy efficient. Everything's really consistent as far as finishes and colors. Here's one guest bedroom. here. We'll check out the closet. Okay. Your view from your guest bedroom. And when you go back out into the hallway, you have these two. Now, this is, I believe, the master bedroom. So, and I say that just because it has an in-suite bathroom. We can check this out. So you've got similar tile to the other two bathrooms. Got some little storage spots in here for your towels and rags. And then all of this. So everything is just so clean. I mean, this house was built in 1965, but it feels like a brand new construction. I mean, they didn't spare any expense in refinishing this entire house from top to bottom. So I'm really impressed. I've got to give it to them. Sometimes you see, sometimes it's pretty easy to see the corners that people cut, because believe it or not, people do cut corners. I don't see a single corner cut here. I mean, very, very, very clean. It's your last closet there. And then just kind of over all of this room. So if you didn't already know, if you haven't signed up, I do have a weekly market update email for the Tuscaloosa area. So if you're interested in this house or just kind of seeing what the housing market looks like in Tuscaloosa or Northport, anywhere around here, actually. So my email covers that. It's one email per week, Monday morning, 6 a.m. Follow the link in the description there to sign up for that. Let's open these French doors. Man, look at that. You're out here, got the barbecue going, got your friends and family on this enormous deck. Flat yard, beautiful little lake. It looks like some good fishing. So let's see, we've got new sod, not fully all the way down, but it is brand new sod in the front, and then you can see how far it goes in the back here. I've got to say, I don't usually come to listings and get impressed with the trees, but this property has some beautiful trees. Let's go down here and see what this lake looks like. Big property. Yeah, Yeah. Yeah, I don't think that there is much that I even have to say anymore, because I mean this property speaks for itself. The video speaks for itself. This is a beautiful house. Not to mention, you're just like a mile away from the main area of Northport. So very, very close to all shopping. But come out here and it's quiet. Right, everybody, thank you so much for checking out this house with me. If there's ever anything that I can do for you or your family to help you get into this house or any other home here in Tuscaloosa, give me a shout, give me a call, shoot me a text, email, any way of communication. And I would love to talk to you about your goals and how we can make that a reality for your family. Y'all have a great day.